Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce a TRX DeFi cloud mining to you. Next, let us lift the veil and introduce it to you in detail. Please open TRXVS.com with your mobile browser. Now, click Register to fill in. First, fill in the mobile number. Second, fill in the login password. Third, fill in the security password. Fourth, enter the invitation code 5555. Enter the verification code to complete the registration. Click to make a deposit. To activate the account, you must firstly recharge 5 TRX for cloud mining machine activation. Number 1. Top up the basic account. The basic account will generate income every day from mining, and you need to actively withdraw the income every day. This is permanent and stable income. Cumulative investment of 5 TRX to 20,000 TRX. 5% cash withdrawal per day. Cumulative investment of 20,001 TRX to 80,000 TRX. 6% can be withdrawn every day. The rest can be done in the same manner. Number 2. Invest regularly. In regular investment, you can choose a suitable period for your investment, and different periods will generate different mining income. The circle is 3 days, the income ratio is 2%, and the minimal investment amount is 5 TRX. The circle is 30 days, the income ratio is 3%, and the minimal investment amount is 500 TRX. The rest can be done in the same manner. Number 3. Share income. Share income is to share your invitation link with friends and relatives, or forward YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Telegram group, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media, and earn promotion income through their registration and recharge. The more users you invite to top up, the more money you earn. Promotion income can be withdrawn at one time, up to 20%. Level A subordinates 13 TRX. Level B subordinates 5 TRX. Level C subordinates 2 TRX. You invite A to register and deposit. A is your first level subordinate. A invites B to register and deposit. B is your secondary subordinate. B invites C to register and deposit. C is your third level subordinate. The more invitations to promote users, the more income. Promotion income can be viewed by clicking on the team. If there are any questions, please ask our customer service.